Good afternoon. So, we've just pulled up. I've had an email so we can collect our laptop. But I found a little spot, because Peanut needs a toilet, and it looks like it's got some information. Let me turn you round. We're going to have to find out where we are. Come down here, Peanut. Down this way. Come on then. Glen Nevis. We're at Glen Nevis. Beautiful. The weather today has been absolutely terrible. I mean, look at that. I've said it a stack of times. When you listen to water, it's very relaxing. And you'll probably zoom in. Peanut's trying to take me for a walk. For anybody who's able-bodied, you can take a long walk along here. That's a beautiful little, what is it, stream? Tiny little waterfall. That's gorgeous. It's still a bit rainy. Oh wow, if you look over the back there, there's a little waterfall and there's another one. So if I point my finger, it's, where's my finger? There. There's a waterfall and there's one to the right. Let's have a look what this is down here. So you've got benches where you can sit down. That's like a concrete bench. And it is raining. Gonna get drowned. So this is Glen Nevis curling ponds. I am getting wet. Let's put my hood up. Hopefully the camera's waterproof. I should imagine it is. So there's all information there. This dates back to 1890s. In fact, it was first recorded curling his bowls, and that dates back in Scotland into 1638. That's interesting. So that's what they do there. Very nice. It is a beautiful spot. I mean, I imagine in the summer you get a lot of people parking here. So welcome back. Is it a new day?
It's a new vlog. It's not a new day.
New video. So we're on the way to Loch Ness.
Yes, we're finally out of Fort William. Now, Fort William's a beautiful
It is.
place, beautiful views, friendly people, loads of park ups. But I think we outstayed our.
Well, we didn't.
No, we didn't outstay, but
It's a bit like Twilight.
it's been there too long.
Twilight Zone. We were there probably 2-3 days.
Yes.
We should have been in Loch Ness by now, but because of the laptop scenario, and it was like Twilight Zone. We was looking for the Morrison's petrol station, and it kept sending us round and round, and eventually found it. So
we're on a little lay-by. It's nothing glamorous, even though the view.
It is glamorous.
As standard views go, you can't get better than this. I will show you at some point.
Hang on.
At least we'll do a camera outside.
Hang on. There we go.
You've got that kind of both sides, but there's trees in the way of that.
Beautiful view.
And there's sheep, so we're going to get sheep during the night. But
yes.
It is next to a busy road, but we're quite far away. We're about 10 metres away from the road.
We are.
But that's never stopped us before.
No, because we're going to get up early tomorrow.
And head for Loch Ness.
No, some exciting things.
And that's probably where video with egg, and then whatever it is now will never be used.
It will. This is Andy's. Oh, he dropped it. There you
I never
go.
open them, so you need to open them.
Right,
I can never open it.
right. Let me get a pair of scissors in case we do, because you never know. Pair of scissors. Right. That is the new. So that we've had it come finally.
Yes, Argos didn't let us down.
It should have come yesterday and it didn't. Still, it is what it is, and I mean we have got a few videos to catch up on, haven't we?
Well, I have, but it's probably going to take me a day or so to download the software, depending on what speed we are on here.
Yes.
And just start transferring files back over.
You're going to get your editing program.
Yes, DaVinci. I use DaVinci Resolve.
So
People have said to me to use another one, but that's what I kind of know.
I think once you get used to something, because you used to use, was it CapCut?
CapCut, yeah.
You used to use CapCut and you used to pay for that, but then you just changed to DaVinci, and I think you've got to learn how to do all their things.
Well, I'm still learning, and there's still a huge amount I need to learn.
Yeah.
But for now,
Yes.
I know how to do it. So
We will visit again.
we won't.
We will.
We won't. What are you going to do? Climb Ben Nevis
I like to
with a
there.
couple of sticks and a hat?
I love travelling there. I love travelling. We pulled up at a spot. You might have seen it by now. And Peanut needed the toilet, so I took him outside. And it was actually where Glen, Nevis is. It's where you can do a walk up into it.
Now,
And it was
answer on
lovely.
the comments, or tell us on the comments, what's the difference between Glen Nevis and Ben Nevis? That sounds really stupid. Is it Glen is a hill and Ben is a mountain? I know we can Google it.
We could. Well, Ben Nevis has got white peaks, which we know. And Glen Nevis hasn't.
So hence that Ben, and that Ben is the highest mountain in the UK.
Yeah.
Yes.
I've got a feeling Glen Nevis is a big hill.
Yes, because you hear a lot of Scottish folks saying all across the Glen,
Yeah.
don't you?
Yeah.
So I'm interpreting that as across the field
Yeah.
or across the
I've got
hills.
a feeling it is. I mean, that could be the other side of Glen Nevis. Huh?
It probably is. In fact, it probably is, yes. But then you've got a huge amount of trees there. The weather's not exactly crystal clear. We could be standing.
You know what?
Parked up right
It
next to it.
stopped raining. You should take the drone out while I'm at your drink.
All right, we'll pack the laptop away, and I won't get started transferring it.
You could do a drone in 10 minutes.
I can't. I'm not going out there. I've been out there so many times today doing rubbish, checking on George. So many times. There's no way I'm setting foot out there apart from sorting the diesel heater out.
Yeah.
Alright. So you can go and piss your kilt. I do that in the morning.
Probably when it's raining.
Actually, it was a saying that my mum used to say, piss your kilt.
I know.
I never got what she meant back then. But I kind of get that now.
She's probably saying you was a lout.
Well, no, because if you piss your kilt, where does it go?
Down
Down where?
your leg.
Does it?
We don't go up, does it?
No, it just falls to the floor, doesn't it?
We can cut this shit out.
Yes. So, yes, we are. I'm going to go and sort out this laptop. Lisa's going to make a cup of tea. You lot, and we'll see you in Loch Ness. We'll probably say something in the morning, but if not, I'm sure she's got 1,000 things to say, which I'll cut out so you won't hear them. But we'll see you in Loch Ness tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully I'll find another beast. And I should belt that one round chops as well. Old Nessie. So, anyway, toodle peep. So, I think I did a park up last night. I think I did a video last night of where we stayed. I will show you now. We're in between Fort William and on our way to Loch Ness. We just found an easy park up because we went and collected the laptop and we wanted to make a start for Loch Ness. So, turn you round if I can. So this is a beautiful view. I mean, it is stunning. I did do a short of the sunset last night. It is very cold. Last night, I think it was -3 or more. It was the coldest it's ever been in Scotland. I mean, look at the clouds there. I think that's Glen Nevis. I think Ben Nevis is further over, but you can't see, but it's got white peaks. I did film some Glen Nevis. You might have seen it already. But this is where we stayed last night anyway. And it is gorgeous. So I'm gonna go inside now. Peanut's ready to go, isn't it, Peanut? Let's put that sheet back up there. It always drives him mad, that does. Right. So, Andy, do you want me to sit next to you or?
Greetings from Torlunday.
Whether we spelt that wrong.
Yes, pronounced this wrong. This probably won't be shown. It's a means to an end, as I always say. It's a park up that we went into after Fort William. That's
probably going to be the opposite way around, but that's where we are.
So we're going to end this here because there's nothing really to chat about. I mean, the views are really nice,
gorgeous.
But everywhere, you could go anywhere. Outside Lidl's, the views was...
to be honest, when we stayed at Lidl's, because we did do one night in the Lidl's car park, because we expected the laptop to be there, and we ended up staying there the night, and even then, it was a stone throw from Ben Nevis.
I mean, Lisa saying, oh, we should film this, and we should drone this, and we should do this. No, because if you did, you would literally run out. We'll need about 20 hard drives, because you go around this corner here, I guarantee there's another park up with another spectacular view. I mean, Scotland, stop having really nice views and visitors.
We could do 12 months really to come around here. I know down the road they do sky lifts, and I did think about doing one, but the only trouble is I don't think pets are allowed, and really would have both need to be on there.
Oh, there's no way I'm fitting with my fat frame on the sky lift. It'll get stuck.
And
I don't want to be stuck up the bloody mountain because of my weight. So you'll be on your own.
That's the cue for us to go, because Andy's whinged. I'll tell you what we had yesterday, and we didn't film. We had a mini Scottish fry up, didn't we?
We did.
We had the...
She didn't enjoy the sausage. I did.
Yeah.
The only criticism I had with a Scottish sausage, or kern, or carn, or something like that, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, very greasy, very oily.
But
grease and oil.
Andy wants me to take a supply home.
Yeah.
He did enjoy it. I'm a bit of a funny one, if I'm honest. I like ordinary things. I'm guessing it's because what we used to. We have just ordinary pork sausage, and I mean, it wasn't a huge difference, but then I did have a bad stomach yesterday.
I thought it would be like, in Iceland, anyone that shops in Iceland, you get square sausages.
It's farm foods.
Is it farm
yeah.
food? You get excuse me, square sausages, and they more or less taste like a sausage, but it's square. Now I thought that's what these were like, but they're not. Totally different. They are
It's hard to
less sausagey.
It's hard to describe, but Andy absolutely loved it.
Oh yeah,
But
nice.
I mean, I'd probably try it again, and I might like it. But I did have kind of a bit of a dodgy stomach yesterday. I kept having pain in my stomach. Sure, Andy's giving me some arsenic.
I'll try to. I mean, there's sheep. See the sheep. See those aerials. See the aerial? Right on top of the hill.
Yes.
Now you see just on that hill.
There's sheep up, but
No,
I mean,
even higher. Right at the highest point where there's 4 aerials.
I mean, them sheep are.
There's white dots. See the
Yeah,
white dots?
them sheep.
Why
Let me
do they
turn
go
you.
all the way up there?
I don't know. Maybe it's because it's
Warmer.
right over the toppest hill. Them sheep must have bloody muscles for legs, I tell you, getting up there.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I mean, there's loads of sheep. They're not stupid though. The man eating the green grass where it's been melted. We did have a lovely time here yesterday. I mean, when I say lovely, it was peace and quiet, wasn't it? So now it is time. I've got to get dressed, although I'm tempted to stay in pyjamas.
And it's about to get a bit cold in here because I'm going to wind down.
Peanut's got something about the diesel-eater. We've got, so in the middle we've got one big air flow with the hot heat, and he loves it. He just lies there, doesn't he?
He bakes there.
Yeah. So anyway, it's going to be a toodle pip, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going to be. I'm looking out for the other beast. I've got one. I'm married to him. I'm going to go and see the Loch Ness beast now.
Please like and subscribe and.
Yes, we've got.
This is probably a waffle channel, if I'm honest.
It isn't. We can cut some out. We've got about 1,700 and something.
Well, I'll cut it out. It'd be like a 2-minute video.
No. It'd be nice if we can get to 2,000.
Yes.
But then when you get to 2,000, it'd be like, oh, it'd be nice to get to 3,000. To be honest, I think we're doing pretty well, really.
Aye?
That's Irish, isn't he?
No. How's that bloody Irish?
I'm surprised he's not doing the accent and insulting people, because that's what Andy does. It doesn't mean
Not
it's...
the new. Not the new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So, anyway, I've got to brush my hair.
And
we've got to go to Loch Ness. So we've got a beast to go and find. So we'll see you in a bit anyway. So toodle peep.